Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Nourished Muslimah. My name is Halima. I am so happy that you are here today with me. So today I'm going to show you how to make this quick. Oh my god, it's so delicious. It's a mango ice cream. We call it in our home, but you can call it anyhow you want. It's delicious. It's so kids friendly, and that's the favorite. So I'm going to show you how to make this. It requires only 2 ingredients. If you like, only mango and some whipping cream. So I'll go ahead and slice my mango. That's the first thing you're going to do. Slice your mango and then cut it into pieces and put it in the in the freezer to freeze overnight or until really firm. You may need some honey or a kind of sweetener if your mango is not very ripe and sweet. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I need first is my frozen mango. It's frozen. I cut the mango into pieces and I froze them in the freezer. So I will go ahead and break it into pieces, and I have my honey and some whipping cream. So I'll go ahead and add my whipping cream, about a cup, in the food processor and process it for about a minute until it starts to become firm. So after a minute, this is what you get, and it looks amazing already. You see how thick it looks? This is the consistency you want. So you add about a teaspoon of honey. That's optional. If you like, if you have a very sweet mango, you don't need any honey. You don't need to add any honey. So you go ahead and add your mango, frozen mango, and then you pulsate it. You pulse it until it all mixes together and the mango blends together with the whipping cream. And here you go. This is what you're gonna get. It tastes so good. We can literally eat this without even freezing. The girls are so eager to eat it, and this is what we do all the time. They eat half and we freeze the rest. It's funny, but that's what happens. We eat half of it and then we freeze the rest. I love to do that because they love to do it to help me. Okay, so back to business. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour out the ice cream, okay, in a bowl, and I'll level it up, and I'll put it in the freezer. So the rest will go in an ice in a popsicle mold. Okay, so here I am scooping. This is a very good trick that you can use when you have kids and they are a little picky. You can involve them in cooking. Okay, let them help you with something. Find a way to make them help you in making that thing that they don't like, and then you discuss about that thing, and they start to have a good relationship with whatever it is. If it's a vegetable, maybe broccoli or green beans or whatever it is, that really helps. So it's a side note. Okay, so I put the ice cream in the freezer for about 4 hours, and now I bring the ice cream out, and here you see that it looks so good. It looks very, very yummy. It tastes yummy. And yeah, we cannot wait to dive into it. Okay, so the girls like it on the mold more than like scooping. Yeah, so I am giving them this one first, and I will go ahead and enjoy mine from the bowl. So I hope you like this video, and you will try this recipe. It's very, very easy, and when you try it, please let me know how you like it, and I hope it's gonna be a family favorite, and you'll be making it for your kids and for yourself as well. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Until next time, be in the best of health and iman. Assalamu alaikum.